Good day, wizards, and welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we will focus on fuels. Beginning with stored energy and fuels. Squirrels store food for the winter months so that they have enough to eat and keep warm. They get their energy from the food they eat. In the same way, a stack of firewood is a store of energy that we can burn in the winter to keep warm. In this lesson, wizards, you will find out that energy can be stored in fuels such as wood and coal. Energy is stored in fuels. We use energy every day. Our bodies use energy to walk, run, and play. Where does that energy come from? Our bodies get from the food we eat. We cook our food, use light to see at night, heat water to wash ourselves and travel from one place to another. All these activities need energy. Where do we get the energy from? This energy can come from fuel. Fuel is something that can be eaten or burned to make heat, light, or movement energy. The energy is stored in fuel. There are many kinds of fuels that store energy. If you look at a pile of wood like one in the figure below, it doesn't seem to have any energy at all. It just lies in a pile. However, when we burn the wood, the stored energy is released to make heat and light. Now, wizards, how we use fuels as source of useful energy. Coal, natural gas, and paraffin are also fuels. They are useful sources of energy that we use every day. They are useful source of energy that we use every single day. We use the stored energy in these fuels for many different things. For example, coal, gas, and paraffin can be used for heating and lighting our homes, as well as for cooking. Candle wax is also a fuel. Candles were originally made by beeswax or various plant waxes, but now they are more commonly made of paraffin wax. The energy is stored in the wax, which is used up as the candle burns. The energy is used to make light and some heat. Petrol is a liquid fuel. Energy is stored in the petrol. Cars and taxis get their energy from petrol. The petrol is stored in the car's petrol tank, where the petrol is burned in the car's engine. The heat energy makes the engine work, which makes the car move. Wizards, fuels need input energy to make them burn. Fuels need some energy to start them burning. For example, a burning match to set its wick alit. The match provides what we call input energy. This is energy that needs to be put in to start the fuel burning. Most fuels need some kind of input energy to burn. Different jewels need different amounts of input energy. A paraffin lamp and candle are easy to light. You just need to bring a burning match near the wick. It will start burning. It is not as easy to light big, heavy wooden logs. To make a fire with such fuel makes then a burning match. Large wooden logs need larger amounts of input energy. Often, firelighters are substances that burn easily and are used to start